Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation between guys year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the alternator for the charging system is located, if you have problems with alternator charging system or code related to it, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located so you can find it. Check it out, always test them. We'll explain why and where you can buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered today. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be guys taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on that 2018 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 V8, but even if you have the 4-cylinder 2.3 EcoBoost, it will work as well. We are going to go ahead, support the hood guys, okay, and let's explain where you can find that specific fuse for the alternator and the charging system guys. Now alternator on that V8 is all the way underneath guys, on the bottom, hard to get to. This is the fuse box right here. You can see you open it by pressing that button here, pull it up. Now on the inside, what we have here, that fuse layout here in the numbers correspond to what we have specifically right here. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse we need to check specifically for that? If you come guys in this row of fuses, okay, and right here, that's a row of fuses. We'll need to check one fuse here, but before we continue, if you need to buy replacement fuses, you have 4 different kinds of fuses guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price, affordable price, so you don't waste your money. Fuse that we need to check is fuse number 36. So if you see right here, that's fuse number 36, that 10M fuse, that's the one that guys you need to check specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.